Previously I've talked about what matters inside the suit, but what makes the differences on the outside? How can you tell a suit is bespoke? The first way you can tell a suit is bespoke is by the lapel. So on and off the peg suit, it's very flat. But on a bespoke suit, it has a lovely roll to it. Now this is achieved by the canvas coming through from the chest into the lapel, and then it's stitched in with tension along the leaf edge, which gives it this lovely roll. Well, another way you can tell a suit is bespoke is by the working buttons. So traditionally, a bespoke suit is always made with functioning buttons so they actually undo. Now you can see here I've just accidentally on purpose left one undone, so everyone knows it's bespoke. Another sign of a bespoke suit is the stitching along the lapel. This is called stab stitching or pick stitching. It's very delicate hand work, and basically the thread just creates these little dimples all the way up the lapel. There's the outwardly visual signs you get on a bespoke suit that we've talked about, but there's also the multitude of choices you have when you have a suit made for you. So that might be the pockets, the type of lapel, or even the embroidery on the inside.